Without question, the best place to stay here is Bird's Ferry Lodge, which offers wonderfully comfortable accommodation, delightful hosts, superb food, and a fantastically romantic setting.
We're in Westport on the northwest corner of New Zealand's South Island. The area has a stunning coastline, incredible caves and adventure options, a rainforest that looks like Hawaii, and remarkably few tourists.
These unique dwellings afford incredible views of snow-capped mountains and of the sea, not to mention a beautiful grove of olive trees and a large flock of sheep. Hapuku takes its 5-star status very seriously, and quite apart from all the creature comforts, meals here are a gastronomic experience.
One of the world's top spots to see whales and dolphins is on the east coast of New Zealand's South Island. At Kaikoura, one has the additional opportunity to stay in unique tree houses at Hapuku Lodge. Pen-y-bryn Lodge was built in 1889. It's the largest single-story wooden house in all of Australasia. It is essentially a live-in museum, spectacularly furnished and perfectly maintained.
Pen-y-bryn's two owners, James and James, are consummate hosts. The gourmet dinner served in the ornate dining room are likely to be lively and entertaining with a mixture of guests from around the world.
Nearby, two different colonies of penguins, along with Oamaru's historic Victorian district, provide a few of the many activities to experience while at Pen-y-bryn.